It's the storm you told us we were going to get.
Yeah, unfortunately, sometimes I hate when we're right and we see it actually unfold. Now, the good news is at least further south, like here in Indy and even towards Bloomington, Columbus, we're not getting as much snow as we saw spots further north. Spots like Lafayette have already seen 7.5 inches of snow, while spots further south have seen less. But at least the good news at this point, notice how really the bulk of the snow showers and really anything in the way of heavy snow has already moved out of the area, and even spots pretty much at this point along and south of I-70. Notice the shades of green and pink starting to mix in. This is some rain, a little bit of sleet, and as the system starts to move out of the area, good chance we see a little bit of a mix as well. Spots further north, good chance you stay snow. Now, we still do have the winter storm warning. We can see practically along and north of I-70. The winter weather advisory as well. Those remain in effect until 10 a.m. tomorrow. But really at this point, not expecting a whole lot more in the way of snow. So notice as we head towards midnight, we see really bulk of the snow head out. Spots even towards Kokomo, Lafayette, Muncie, Richmond. We see those shades of pink, so a little bit of sleet. Even here to Indianapolis, we could change over into rain on the back edge of the system. So even notice by 5 a.m., bulk of the rain out of the area. Still, you can see from Bedford through Columbus, Rushville up through Muncie, a little bit of that sleet, possibly a few snowflakes on the back edge of the system. But by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, notice anything in the way of precip out of the area, really just leaving us with that cloud cover as well. Now, my concern at this point is not necessarily the heavy snow and large amounts of accumulation. It's actually going to be our temperatures when they start to fall tomorrow morning. Notice we actually warm up a few degrees through midnight, and then temperatures right behind to start to crash through the 20s. So by 7, 8 a.m. tomorrow, we notice temperatures in the mid, possibly even low 20s. So that means any wet roadways could have that chance for freezing over. So if you see wet roadways, the good rule of thumb is if it looks wet, good chance it could be ice. So remember to slow down, leave plenty of space between you and the cars around you. Now, the bad news though is notice the next couple of days. Through at least Thursday, temperatures are well below average, likely stuck in the 30s, even a day or two stuck in the 20s. Even as we start December, notice a large swath here through the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley stays below average at least through the 9th. So it's going to be cooler, and even the pattern, notice as well that same time frame, we stay active. So we're going to continue to see chances for rain. We're going to continue to see chances for snow. Even a couple more systems we could see. The first one after this one, possibly Monday night into Tuesday, and another system that could possibly try to work through Friday into Saturday. Both of those we will have to watch the potential for some more snowfall as well. But for right now, 33 here in Indy, cool spots of 32 into Kokomo, as well as Columbus and Richmond. But still as warm as 33 into Terre Haute, as well as Bloomington. So expect those temperatures, again, just warm up a few degrees before they start to crash overnight tonight. But tomorrow, Colts, Texans, notice roof will be closed tomorrow thanks to the cold temperatures. Really good chance we just stay stuck in the 20s much of the day. It's going to stay cold. It's going to stay gloomy. So if you're heading out for tailgating, heading out to watch the game, likely want to take a couple layers with you as well, because we stay cloudy, even though those things remain a bit breezy, where we could see some gusts of 25, even up towards 35 miles per hour as well. So 7-day forecast, not looking the best if you're looking for sunshine. If you're looking for warmer temperatures, notice pretty much every day at least features some clouds, a few pockets of sunshine possible as we head towards the middle of the week. But notice tomorrow, early morning mixed showers. Really much of the day is going to be pretty good. But as we head towards Monday, most of the day stays dry. It's late in the day once we get past sunset towards 8, 10 p.m. where we start to see those snow showers get back in. To Tuesday morning, staying in the 30s. Wednesday, Thursday going to be our good days, partly cloudy, a few pockets of sunshine possible before we head to next weekend, Friday, Saturday, where we could see a few more